What's up, traders, and welcome to another video. So I wanted to explain to you in this video how I'm going to document my process and show you exactly how I'm going to actually pass a 200K prop firm challenge, my goals, my plan for it, and how I intend to go about doing that, right? So let's get right into it. The prop firm challenge is a 200K prop firm account, and it's a one-step phase with E8. You got 8% max drawdown and an 8% profit target. And I've got the full 200K size on here, right? That's the max funding that you can have with that model with them, right? So as you can see, I started it on Friday, the 20th of September. So I'm already up $347. My goal for this challenge and how I'm going to go about these prop firms, going forward is slow and steady, right? I've spoken to Austin, Evan, and a couple of the guys in our private mentorship, and they have advised me to rather go in slow and steady compared to trying to over risk and over commit to that. I don't want to be buying prop firm challenges. I want to get into the funding stage, because once I'm there, I can, I'm good at continuing to take payouts there. But it's getting over the line that sometimes has been a hurdle for me in the past, right? So I'm going to be adopting this new mindset of just slow and steady, smaller risk until I get it over the line. So as you can see, I've had one trading day on it. I'm up $346. This is connected to TradeZilla, so thank you for that, TradeZilla, for the great journaling software. As you can see, had 3 winners, 2 losers. Got 100% obviously daily win rate, and average win-to-loss ratio right now of 1.54. So my plan for this, I'm going to be documenting it at the end of each week and updating it for you guys. So let's get right into it. There you can actually see, maybe that's a better screen over here. But I think showing you guys exactly the documenting process of, how long it will take, what trades I'm taking. Obviously, you can see on the right-hand side here, recent trades. I had losses on the NASDAQ, on ASFX TV, and then I did have Dow winners to end the week, right? So just slow and steady, focus on slow and steady gains. I'm going to be risking max daily loss of $1,000 per day on this, so that's 0.5%. Average trade size of about $500 or so. So that is going to be my goal. I'm going to document it at the end of each week. So I'll come here and actually post this to Twitter and keep you guys updated. But I think showing you the process, and let me know in the comment section down below. I'm going to post this on Twitter and YouTube, but let me know in the comment section below if this is actually something that you guys want to see more of. But my plan for this is just to take it slow and steady, document the process. It is a 200K size, so I'm going for heavier size now. What I've realized, and after speaking to Austin and the guys, is go for bigger size of a bigger percentage gains. So it's easier to make, if your goal is to make 10K in a month, right? 10K, get 10K payouts. It's easier to make 1% of $1 million than it is to make 10% of $100,000, right? So going for these bigger sizes and starting to load the boat on these, but going slow and steady, committing to the longer term game. I'm only going with good companies. Now, there's a couple of companies that I do recommend that if you want to buy account sizes like 200K with are the following, right? I've got FTMO, MyFunded FX, E8, Hydra Funding, and Funded Next. Those are mine at the moment that I'm going to be going with and adding capital with. This happens to be an E8 account, but those are the accounts that I do recommend you going with. And I'll probably be documenting maybe all of them together as we get into the series. But I think at the end of each week, this is what I'm going to be doing, and I hope that you guys just make the right decisions, go with good firms, not firms that are offering 50% off. But I hope that you find value in the series, and I'm looking forward to doing it and trading, of course. So stay tuned for a lot more to come from this.